Welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can disconnect your Twitter account from the TradeSniper platform, which is the airdrop you did few days ago. And also I'm going to show you how you can disconnect your Trust Wallet or your MetaMask from any future unauthorized transaction, so that at the end of every airdrop you don't lose your funds. But before I proceed, please make sure you like this video and drop a sub to the channel, and also join my Telegram community where you can get more potential updates even before I upload them here on YouTube. And as well, follow me on Twitter, which you can get all the link below this video. So with that being said, let's move. Now, if you notice, you cannot trade your entire airdrop that you claim from the TradeSniper website. Currently, you can see that mine is still showing 2 billion TradeSniper, but when I come to the trade section, you can see that I will not be able to trade everything. I can only trade about 500, which is like a waste of time. But I know that from what they are saying, you just have to give it some time, because it's going to increase. This your quota is going to increase for you to trade. So by giving it some time, you'll be able to trade larger amount of TradeSniper. And during the time of screen recording this video, when I bring out my calculator to do some calculation, you can see that the current price is 0.00031 USDT for 1 TS times the 2 billion that I'm giving. You'll be able to see the amount this my 2 billion worth currently. You can see that it's worth $6,200, and during the time of uploading this video, it has worth more than, you understand. But you just have to give some time. I think with what they say from how to claim your TradeSniper, you'll not be able to trade your entire TradeSniper. You just have to wait for some period of time. They will be unlocked gradually to you, you understand. But for the meantime, I'm going to show you how you can disconnect TradeSniper from your Twitter account and from your wallet, so that you be on a safer path in case anything goes wrong. And take note that this is not only to TradeSniper. You can use the same process to disconnect your account from any unwanted website or any platform that you have connected your wallet or your Twitter account to, so that anything that happens to the platform, your account will not be hacked or your wallet will not be hacked, you understand. And you can revoke all access from your laptop or from your phone, which I'm going to show you both. But first thing first, from your browser, which is from your laptop, you just have to navigate to this small section, click settings. You click on settings and support, you understand, then click settings and privacy. Then it will take you to this section whereby you can see your account statistics, you can see monetization, Twitter Blue, subscription, and everything that is associated to your account. Then from this page, you just have to click on security and account access. Then on security and account access, you'll be able to see app and sessions. Then you can see connected app, sessions, and account history. You can also see the devices that you have logged your account in. So let me just go back first to show you the same thing again. Remember, security and account access. Then you move on to apps and sessions, you understand. You click on it, you'll be able to see connected apps, you can see sessions, you can see access history, you can see login device and everything. So when I click sessions, you'll be able to see all the platforms that you have logged in your account into your Twitter account. But remember that these platforms are trusted, you understand. So you just have to click on connected app, then you'll be able to see all the platforms that you have connected your Twitter to. You can see everything that I've connected my Twitter to. So by doing that, you'll be able to see all the applications that you have connected your Twitter account to. So you just make sure that you trust this platform. If you don't trust them, then you can just easily disconnect. So you can see this first one, type fully. That is where I write my tweet. You can see Venom. You can also see TradeSniper, you understand. You can see Binance activity. So click on TradeSniper, then you'll be able to see this option that says revoke app permission. So you just have to easily click on revoke app permission, and you can see that it has been done. So you can even report the application, you can even report their platform, but that is not what we want to do. So when you go back, you'll be able to see that your TradeSniper is no longer showing on account connected, you understand. And you can also do the same for any other platform that have access to your account by you connecting it to that platform or anywhere, you understand. So this is to make sure that your Twitter account is safe and secure. So now let me show you the same process using your mobile phone. So on your mobile phone, you just have to open Twitter. Then you just have to click on this, your menu icon, you understand, which show your profile. Then you scroll down. You just have to wait for it to load up. You scroll down to the settings and support, then click on settings and privacy, just as it did from desktop, you understand. Then on this section, you'll be able to see everything: your accounts, your security access, your bill, and everything. So you are going to click on security and account access. Then you'll be able to see security, app session, connected accounts, and delegation. So you click on app and sessions because that is what you want to click on, you understand, to see where you have connected your account to. Now, due to some security reasons, the screen record on my phone did not capture this particular security part, this part, so that's why it's showing blank, but it's just similar, you understand. The moment you click on apps and session, you'll be able to see all the application that has been connected to your Twitter account, just like the one on your browser, you understand. So you just have to make sure that apps and sessions, then you click on it, then you disconnect your account, and that is just how it is. So the next thing to do is to revoke your MetaMask or your Trust Wallet from any future potential unauthorized transaction. And you can revoke any unauthorized transaction from your account by coming to this website, revoke.cash, which you can also get below this video. And this website, after connecting your wallet, you can switch between Ethereum, BNB, or any other network that you have used before, and with that you'll be able to see potential trades or potential platform that you have connected your MetaMask to, depending on the network, you understand. I've already revoked all access from my account. That's why you can see that my account is clean, you understand. But on your account, if there's any trades, you'll be able to see a revoke button on the action tab, you understand. So if there's no revoke, you can switch network. Let me take it to Ethereum, then wait for it to load up. You'll be able to see that on your account, if there's any trades, there will be a revoke button showing on the action tab. You can see that there's no threats, that's why it's showing switch account. But a bridge, TK bridge, I have access to my account, so TK bridge is trusted, so I'm going to leave it. You can also do that for all other network. So come back to BNB, which is the primary one I use. You'll be able to see all platforms that I've connected my account to, but they don't have access. They don't have access to spend my cash, so you just have to put that into consideration. Also remember that you can do the revoking from your mobile phone. So when you open Trust Wallet, you just have to navigate down, then click on browser. Then on this browser tab, you just have to type in the web browser revoke.cash. You just have to type in revoke.cash, then send it. Revoke.cash is the same website that you use for desktop. Then it will take us to their home page. So you just have to scroll down, click on get started. But first, you need to understand how to use it. So you can see how to revoke your approvals. First thing first, you can just connect your wallet, then inspect it, which is what you did on the desktop version. Then after inspecting all the transaction or all the platforms that have access to your account, you just have to revoke them, the one that you know that is not useful. So if you know that this video is helpful to you, make sure you show it by liking this video and drop a sub to the channel, and also join my Telegram community because you don't want to miss all the updates I'm sharing there. And as you might already know, I'm DMO, so thank you for watching and see you on my next video.